I don't know which way you may like better. On this method, the con is you gotta remember to move the decimal point on the top as well as the bottom. You don't wanna have any decimals in any part of the fraction. And then reduce. This one here, you have to know the place values. Okay? So, there you go. Alright, so let's see. Trouble in here. Maybe. Change that 1/40th into a percent. %. Okay. The rest of you got? Change that to a fraction. You can use either way, your method. I go back and forth on the methods. Sometimes I use one method, sometimes I use okay, how do we get that? This is how I do it. I use this method, okay? You can drop the zeros on the end, there's one on top and on bottom, right? And we got 13/10, which I know is reduced lowest terms. Now, what's wrong with that 13/10? It's an improper fraction. Anytime you have a percent that is over 100% or over, you're gonna have either an improper fraction or you're gonna have a digit to the left of your decimal point. So if I did this the other way, it would be 1.30 is your decimal. And then of course, so 130 over tenths, hundredths. So you're going to have an improper fraction if your percentage is more than 100. Or the other way around, if you have an improper fraction, your percentage is going to be more than 100. 100 of them. Okay? So 1 decimally is equal to 100%, right? Because 1 is a whole. Alright, does that make sense? Okay, so you're going to need to be able to change from percents to decimals and from decimals to percents. And fractions to decimals to percents and back and forth. On my math lab, I think there's at least 3 or 4 problems with a chart. And they give you one thing and you have to find the other 2. Okay, so they'll give you a percent, you find the decimal and the fraction, they'll give you a fraction, you find the decimal percent, they'll give you a decimal, you find the percent. Okay? Alright. I got this at 1/6. Heat is more. Is it not? Because the temperature outside is dropping, so the heat comes on. In some rooms in the building, it needs to come on. All right. Sales tax. Knox County or Tennessee, it may be different in other states, or it may be different. Okay, so remember we went to the grocery store a while back, and we were trying to estimate our stuff, and I said, let's not think about taxes. We did a little bit, but we just, there's tax on almost everything, right? Everything's got a tax on it. So what do we have to do? We have to figure out what that tax is. So what's the tax in Tennessee? No, it's like 9 point something. Sales tax.
Sales tax.
Yeah, not other kinds of tax.
7%.
It's gotta be more.
Well, it says state rate 7%, combined rate up to 9%.
Okay. I hate the 9.75. Purchase amount plus the taxes. Okay? Now, how am I multiplying this times this? So what do I need to do? Change your percents to